Hello, I'm Devkota with the Devkota Law Firm. Many people ask me, what should they do after their personal injury? Well, obviously the first thing you need to do when you've suffered any type of injury is to seek medical attention, right? So litigation is not the first thing in your mind, hopefully, after you've been injured. But how do I heal myself? Or how do I preserve my health? So obviously call 911, go to the emergency room, get medical attention immediately. If that is not an issue and you have the wherewithal to do the next step, which is preserve any evidence, I recommend that you do that. Many times people are hasty to leave the scene of an injury, whether it be an auto accident or a slip and fall premises liability accident at a store, out of embarrassment or a need to get out of the scene, out of panic. People just leave the scene. But that's really going to cause you problems. You need to go ahead and preserve who caused the injury. Try to document that injury. Number one, find out who's responsible. If you're in a car accident, why don't you get the insurance information? Take a picture of the property damage of their car and your car. I strongly recommend that at that time, you take an audio recording of the person who says that they caused the accident. Oh my gosh, ma'am, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hit you. I was in a hurry to get home because the kids are getting off the school bus. Believe you me, the next day, when they call their insurance company, they're going to say it's your fault. Make sure that you document the truth when it's the freshest at the scene. Remember, only if you're capable of doing that because your injuries are not that great. Call the police. Make a report. If you're in an automobile accident, call the police. Get a police report to document what has happened. Have the officer put down what has happened. It gives you much more credibility at the time of court or making a claim with an insurance company. If it's a premises liability case, like at your local store or somebody's property, make a report to the property owner. Make sure that their own internal documentation has your name in the incident. Again, believe you me, if you don't do that, it never happened in the mind of the property owner. So now you've taken care of your health, or at least assessed your health, and you preserved the evidence. The next thing that you need to do is find a competent attorney to initiate a claim. That's what you need to do. You need to start the claims process. You need to let the property owner, vehicle owner, or the insurance company who is representing these individuals know that you have a claim. You must not contact the insurance company without representation. If you do that, what will happen is you will end up making statements that will harm your case. Again, believe you me, every one of those conversations is recorded on that line, and they will use that against you later. It's a big problem in our office. We hope that the person that you contacted would be our office, the Devkota Law Firm, where we have a tremendous amount of experience in initiating these claims and preserving your rights. Those are the basic initial things that you need to do right after a personal injury. There are many more steps, but if you can establish these initial steps, you'll be far ahead of the game. Thank you very much for listening.
For over 21 years, the Devkota Law Firm has represented the vulnerable communities in the Kansas metro area with personal injury, motor vehicle accidents, workers' compensation, medical negligence, and representation in court.